Hi, I'm Patrick, Elite Walls Miami Faux Finish artist. Today I would like to share a design secret with you. When an artist prepares a canvas, he knows that the background will set the tone and mood for the rest of the painting. The same is true in interior design. Today I would like to demonstrate a great product, Lusterstone. Lusterstone provides highlights and shadows that give a richness and depth to any room. First, I'd like to talk about the tools we'll need for this project. A putty knife, a plastic one, 69 cents, about this size, is perfectly fine. The next tool you'll need is a little more specific. It's a stainless steel trowel. That trowel looks like this. It's about this size. The reason that we use a stainless steel trowel, stainless steel forms a very sharp edge, so that when we skim coat the wall, you can get a nice clean skim coat. Second, most importantly, stainless steel will not leave carbon marks. A plain trowel, when you burnish the wall, will leave carbon marks, which are black streaks. By using stainless steel, you avoid this problem. This is the first layer. I'm going to take a small amount of product, no more than you'd put on a 3x3 section at one time. When you apply the product, you want to keep the trowel at a 30-degree angle and make gentle swoops. At this stage, you're not worried about getting 100% coverage. About 80% is good. In the next layer, you'll fill in the rest of the spots. And at this point, you've got about an 80% coverage. Now you let the product dry. We've allowed the first layer to dry. Now what you want to do is go back in the second layer. You want to hold your trowel at the same 30-degree angle and go back and fill in any spots that were missed. At this point, when you finish this stage, you want to have a 100% coverage. At this step, you're also adding a little bit of texture as you go along. This texture will be highlighted when we do the next step, which is the skim coat. As you can see, I filled in any blank spots, and I've left a very light texture across the entire surface. And now we've come to the third step. We've done the first step, allowed it to dry thoroughly. The second step, which we got 100% coverage, allowed that to dry thoroughly. The third step is slightly different. This step, we want a very thin skim coat. So you're going to put a small amount of product on the trowel, and you're going to hold the trowel at a 45-degree angle using the edge. What we're trying to do is fill in the low areas, and as we do this, the highlights will start to appear. So let's get started. So you apply it and you wipe it off, and you apply it and wipe it off. You'll scrape almost all the product off. A very thin skim coat. And as you can see, the finish becomes much more consistent. Then you go back over any excess, you pull it off. And that's the completed finish. It's great that we did a test board, but let's see what it looks like on a full wall now.